Here in this video, we are going to create this iconic MATLAB logo in 3D using just few lines of codes. I'm going to make this video as short as possible, so without doing any delay, let's get started. So to start with, we are going to create 3D shape for the logo using MATLAB's membrane function. This function is basically designed to model the behavior of a vibrant membrane. It is the quick way to create complex smooth surface in 3D, right? Here this section membrane 1, 100 creates a surface based on the first eigenfunction of membrane, and by multiplying it by 160 we are actually going to scale the shape for better visualization. So here we have created the function. Now our next step will be to plot this function. Here we are going to use the surface function, which will allow us to control both the face color, edge style to make logo clean and neat. Now if we run this, the logo looks like this. So we got the shape of logo, but now it's time to add some colors and axis details to this logo. So here in this lines of code, we are adjusting the view and scaling of the logo, or ultimately the plot we are creating. By this section, axis limits, we are going to create appropriate zooming effect or appropriate arrangement of size of logo. And by this section, we are controlling the camera position so that we can have the actual viewing angle, or ultimately we can say that we are going to mimic the MATLAB's original logo, right? So we are going to set the camera angle to mimic the logo. Now we'll move further. Now here we are going to set the aspect ratio and the position of the logo within the figure so that it will give us a better visual. Now let me run and show it to you what is the effect of this code. See. So we have right angle and right proportion. Now we'll add some lighting and color arrangement. Now here we are adding lighting to this logo, and this lighting will make this logo truly a 3D logo. And now let me show you what is the real effect of lighting on the logo. Let's run this thing and see the difference. And basically here we are using two light source. One is for this lighting and the another is for this lighting effect. And here finally we are going to turn off all the axis lines and labels and markings from the plot, and we are going to make a plain black background to the logo, right? So now let's run. And there you have it, a complete 3D MATLAB logo created from scratch using simple codes.